Hey guys, it's Rachel. So I just got in another ThredUp shoe box and I wanted to share with you guys what's inside. So let's take a look. So the ThredUp shoe boxes, they are considered rescue boxes. So this should be 15 pair of mixed size shoes. The box was $100. Because it's a rescue box, it is possible that there are some pair of shoes in here that are damaged or maybe not wearable. So the last couple boxes I received have been pretty good, but it is possible that there are some pair in here that just can't be used. So let's take a look. By the way, this came from the Mechanicsford, PA warehouse, in case you guys are wondering. Okay, so first up here are some fancy boots. They're pointed. What are these? They're like pointed and they're furry. That's fun. These are from 9 West. Okay, so 9 West I usually wouldn't pick up, but these are fun. And they are in pretty good condition. So I'll take some fuzzy boots to start with. We've got some, these are like loafers. The brand is Global Win. I've never heard of this brand, so I have to find out if these are worth selling, but they look like they're in good condition, and I guess I have some homework to do on that. Got some espadrilles. These look pretty good condition-wise. They're size 38, so they're kind of tiny, but that's okay. The brand is Cana or Cana. I don't know how to say it. It does say made in Spain. So hopefully these are something. All right, I guess we'll find out. Oh, how cute. These are Kate Spade. I'll always take some Kate Spade. These are some like kind of pointed toe flats with the little spade on the foot there. I like Kate Spade shoes. I don't know, you guys. I typically do pretty good selling Kate Spade shoes, so I'll say that these are pretty good. These are Skechers. I don't know what like the model is. It doesn't really say. But these are just in time for summer, so that's good. They're a little bit dirty, but otherwise they look like they're in good condition. Got some boots here. What are these? These are, these are Phillip Lim, which I think is pretty good. I've never found Phillip Lim. I have to look it up, but I think these are good. And in fact, I think these are kind of like a luxury brand, and these might go to the Real if they take this brand. But these do say made in Italy. They are real leather. They're like a Chelsea boot. These are definitely men's. So that's exciting. I wish I knew more about this brand so I could be more excited, but I have a feeling this is probably the shining star of the box. We'll see. All right, we've got some Ivanka Trump thong sandals. So I don't know how much these are even worth, but they look wearable. So I'll see, maybe get my money back on those. Got some 9 West sandals. These are kind of like the ones that are like the knockoff designer kind of slide-ons. But I'll probably put them up. Not going to be a huge sale, but I might make my money back on those. Well, these are fun. These are like rainbow striped espadrille wedges. They're in pretty good condition. They don't look very worn. They don't feel very expensive though. And they might have had a brand at one point, but it's kind of worn off. I'm not a big fan, you guys, of wearing or I'm not a big fan of listing anything that doesn't have sizes or brands. It depends on your comfort level. Like some people would be like, yeah, I'm totally listing those. But to me, it's just kind of like, I don't know, it's almost like a case waiting to happen. You know, if you mismeasure or whatever, I don't know. They're in okay condition, but I don't know if I'm going to take the risk to list these just based on not having a size or a brand. So these will probably get donated, but that's okay. Everything else is good so far. What else do we have in here? Some more boots. So the brand on these is Blowfish, and I'm pretty sure this is a fast fashion brand. I think this is supposed to go like this actually. So I'll have to look and see if these are even worth listing, but if they were like $10 brand new, I probably won't. Maybe I'll just donate these, but hopefully they're at least maybe a, you know, a $15, $20 sale and I can make my money back. Unless I'm totally wrong, Blowfish might be something good, but I really don't think so. Oh, here's some more boots. So these are puzzling. I don't know if you can see, like, the leather looks really super distressed, and I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if they're like really just that worn. So there's Steven by Steve Madden. I should be able to, the good news here, I should be able to look these up and see what they should look like. Steve Madden obviously is a very common brand, so hopefully I can just find these, and maybe they're supposed to be distressed like this. I mean, the zipper works. This zipper doesn't have the cool tassel on it. Yeah, so these, I'll keep you guys updated should they look like this or not. We'll see. All right, some more sandals. I like that they're sending sandals. You know, it's getting into the summer season, so these are St. Angie. They are kind of like a wicker slide. It does say that they're real leather. They're a size 39. So this brand I have never heard of, so I'll have to look it up. But they look like they're in okay condition. Couple more. So these are fur-lined boots. The brand is SQL. They feel really cheap. And again, they're size 39. I feel like this is some fast fashion Amazon Wish. I don't know. I'll check and see, but I don't have high hopes for these, but they are in good condition, so we'll see. Plus it's, you know, a long time till winter. All right, last pair. Okay. That's why I love these boxes. You get such interesting stuff. Like, these are, I'm going to guess these are men's shoes. I'm going to guess, because I have no idea. And they have, like, this buckle over. Says they're a size 9. Oh, that's not helpful. That does mean they could be either men's or women's. They're probably men's. This is big to be a women's size 9. But they are genuine leather. They look a little bit worn, but I have some leather conditioner, so that shouldn't be a problem. I'm just making sure none of the buckles are, like, you know, torn or anything. J.D. Fisk. I don't know this brand. This will be a new one for me, so I guess we'll find out. All right, so that is 15 pair of shoes. I would say I've got a good solid 12 out of this one. The ones that I probably wouldn't list being the sandals with no size, or the ones from Amazon or whatever, those boots, the furry ones that I don't know what those are, and then those Blowfish boots. I don't know, and then maybe those Steve Maddens if they really are that worn out. I don't know. So is this a good box? I don't know, we've got the Philip Lim in there, we've got the Kate Spade. I will let you guys know. I will update you on this box. What I like to do is list everything and give it 90 days. My rule of thumb is if the box is a good box, I will have at least tripled the money I spent in 90 days. So that means I spent $100 on this box, and if I make $300 total after the seller platform fees and the shipping and all that, if I walk away with $300 in 90 days, I will say this was a good box. I don't have a lot of space, so some people might be willing to let things sit a little while to maybe wait for the right buyer and take a higher price, but after 90 days, to me, it's kind of stale, and I don't consider it a good buy if it's sitting around. So I will keep you guys updated. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell if you're interested in getting notifications when I post new videos, including the follow-up on this. And definitely drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this box. I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, feel free also to follow me on Instagram. I'm rbagnick on Instagram, and I post a lot of other reseller content on there as well. So I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.